Okay, team. This video will be a little bit hard to watch because my hands are a little bit shaky, but I will try to illustrate our way through this simplifying an exponential expression. Sorry about the shaking and the delay. So this is our problem. Negative 2 times b to the 0 times, now here we have this expression in parentheses, negative 2 times b times a squared, all of that raised to the negative 4 power. And in the denominator we have a to the negative 2 squared. So notice we did not leave any naked bases. The b we put the 1 on, the 1 is here, the 1 is here. Okay, so what do we do with all of this? Well, here you have this negative 4, and it says drop everything that's in parentheses down into the denominator, and then b to the 0 is 1. What else did we do here? We did expansion here on the bottom. So this says to square something. To square something means to multiply it by itself. So there it is, a to the negative 2 times a to the negative 2. Because this exponent said expand this and multiply it by itself. Now, from here, a to the negative 2, a to the negative 2, you know that means that it wants me to either jump up, or if I'm up, move down. So in this case, a goes up, and that's a squared. A goes up, a squared. Now here, this 4 says expand all of this. Multiply it by itself 4 times. So that's what you see here. Now, expand, expand, expand. And we've got the a squared is AA. Now, we've got negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So those are all here expanded. Then I chose to expand the a's next so that they will line up under these a's. So we got a squared, a squared, a squared, a squared. So we should see the multiplication 8 times. And then b times b times b times b is here. Now, because we are multiplying and dividing, there's no other operation here. There's no adding, there's no subtracting. Because of this, we can divide and cancel top and bottom. So negative 2 cancels with negative 2. A. Cancel 4 a's, top and bottom. Now be careful here because what you've done is canceled the whole numerator. I have a very good student who today just acted like, oh, well, there's nothing left, so the answer is all down here, but I don't need a fraction. No. Remember that the ones are everywhere. So in a fraction, there's always 1 times the numerator. There's always 1 times the denominator, even if you move everything else. So now we have 1 over negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. A times a times a times a to the 4th, and the same b to the 4th. Finally, the last thing I would like to see you do is take this negative, and instead of writing it there, either write it there or there. It is your decision which one you like. I like this one. So we have negative 1 over 8 times a to the 4th times b to the 4th. You did it! Great job!